How to fix Instagram username not available. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix Instagram username not available. You first of all want to make sure that you're using the latest version of Instagram. To check, you want to head over to Play Store or App Store. Now you want to search for Instagram. Here, if you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. If you find the open option, it means that your application is already up to date. Now tap on the open option. Now whenever you head over to your profile and then tap on the edit profile and you try to change your username, if you are getting the error response that says username is not available, then there might be a couple of reasons behind this. The first reason is that username you're trying to enter has already been taken by someone. So if you head back and then search for the username that you have entered, you will see that someone else already has the username that you're trying to enter. Now, username is supposed to be unique. That is why no account can have the same username. So to fix this problem, all you want to do is type in a unique username. Also, you want to enter some unique combination of number. So as you can see, when I added a unique name and number, it no longer says that username is not available. Now you want to tap on the tick mark option. After that, as you can see, the username has been successfully changed. That's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.